Hi, I'm Bruce Clay, and this is the Ask Us Anything series. I recently hired a digital marketing team to run pay-per-click and implement best SEO practices on my site. I created a Google Analytics account to better track the progress of our digital marketing efforts. However, I am not sure if I implemented the tracking code correctly. How can I check if my Google Analytics tracking code is globally present on my site? The easiest way is to look at the site, make sure that the code is generated on every page. Commonly, it's part of the template. So you can just visit some pages and look for the Google code. The second part is to make sure it's the right code. And the best way to do that is simply log into Google Analytics and make sure it's the right code. If you're not getting tracking, it could be the wrong setup. The wrong setup could commonly be that you haven't defined your website to Google. In many cases, you have to redefine that it is secured versus non-secured, because that'll come across as a different website in Google Analytics. So you need to be very, very careful on how you actually do it. The second part really is you need to tie in to Google Tag Manager. The Google Tag Manager is programming. You have to understand it's done very much at a global level, but the Google Tag Manager, when implemented, allows you to embed code on every page, pretty much automatically, to change code on every page. You don't have to go through your site and look for a typographical error. So the Google Tag Manager is actually the way you should implement any kind of analytics insertion onto your site. Hope that helps.